Number 1. 1976 Chevrolet C20, price $9,900, well-kept long bed truck that has been upgraded and maintained with care. It is powered by a reliable 350 Mr. Goodwrench crate engine paired with a smooth-shifting 4-speed manual transmission, giving it the classic driving feel expected from a vintage heavy-duty Chevy. The truck has received several recent improvements, including newer paint that gives it a clean, refreshed appearance and a fully redone interior that enhances comfort and usability. Its bed is protected with a durable spray-on liner, and it comes equipped with functional AC for added convenience. Additional updates such as new tires, a new starter, and other maintenance items contribute to its strong running condition. The seller notes that it drives exceptionally well, like a champ, and it is offered with a clean California title in hand, making it ready for its next owner to enjoy. Number 2. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, shows approximately 150,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck presents very well with its fresh red exterior, benefiting from a complete new paint job that gives it a clean, vibrant look. Inside, the cabin has been fully refreshed with new interior components, offering a noticeably improved and more comfortable driving environment. It also sits on new tires, and the bed has been upgraded with a new bed liner, complemented by new undercoating underneath, ensuring added protection and long-term durability. As a rust-free Arizona truck, it maintains a solid, clean body and frame, something increasingly rare for a vehicle of this era. Power comes from a 2014 6.2 LLS engine, providing modern performance potential, although it currently needs transmission and wiring work to complete the drivetrain setup. Number 3. 1992 Nissan Regular Cab, price $6,800. It has 192,000 miles on it and comes with a clean title and valid tags until May 2026. It runs a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a reliable 4-cylinder gasoline engine, with no warning lights on the dashboard, and it passes smog with no issues. The exterior is finished in black, complemented by a gray interior, and both the paint and body remain in good shape. The truck features cold AC and a working heater, along with a Viper alarm system for added security. Several components have been recently replaced, including a new windshield, new Raptor bedliner, a new Bluetooth aftermarket stereo with upgraded door speakers, and a new battery with a 3-year warranty. It rides on 17-inch wheels with good tires, and the cabin is equipped with captain seats and a center console. Additional details include a 3-piece rear window, window tint, and LED headlights with LEDs throughout the truck. For handling and stance, the vehicle has been lowered using Beltec 3-inch blocks and lowering shocks, giving it a clean and subtle lowered look. Number 4. 1988 Jeep Comanche, price $9,000, finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and powered by gasoline. It features a 5-speed manual transmission paired with the legendary 4.0L inline-6 engine, giving it the character and capability Jeep trucks from this era are known for. The truck has also received extensive recent maintenance and upgrades. It sports a newer paint job, giving it a clean and sharp look, while the refreshed upholstery makes the interior feel comfortable and updated. Mechanically, it has been thoroughly cared for with a new cap and rotor, new fuel injectors, plugs, and wires, as well as a new fuel filter and fuel pump. Additional work includes a new oxygen sensor, a new throttle position sensor, and fully cleaned and refreshed sensor connections. It also recently received a fresh oil and oil filter change, adding further peace of mind for the next owner. Number 5. 1997 Ford F350, price $9,500, showing 159,000 miles and equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a clean beige exterior with a matching interior. Having had only 2 previous owners, it comes with a clean Arizona title, further reflecting its well-documented history. Under the hood, the robust 7.5L engine runs strong with no known issues, demonstrating reliable performance both on the road and under load. The truck includes dual fuel tanks for extended driving range, along with cold air conditioning, power windows and door locks, and an alarm system, offering comfort and convenience uncommon for its era. Its tires remain in great condition, supporting confident road manners, while the bed liner helps preserve the cargo area from wear. The body and paint are also in excellent shape, suggesting consistent care and a life free from harsh use. Number 6. 1996 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,500. This truck is equipped with a dependable 5.7L V8 engine and still runs and drives smoothly, showing 172,000 miles of use. The truck has its registration tags up to date, and it displays no check engine light, indicating that it has been kept in good mechanical condition. Inside, the cabin remains well maintained, with the interior holding up impressively for its age. On the exterior, the paint is faded, but the body itself is solid and reflective of a truck that has been used responsibly rather than neglected. Overall, it stands as a reliable, well-kept Silverado that continues to offer strong performance and dependable daily drivability. Number 7. 1987 Toyota T100, price $8,000. It has approximately 279,000 miles on it and comes with a manual transmission, a red exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. It still wears its original paint and holds a clean title, and it has recently passed smog without any issues. The tires remain in great condition, and the camper shell functions perfectly. The owner has refreshed the interior by redoing the carpet, installing new speakers, and replacing the driver's side window crank. Additional recent maintenance includes new shocks, new fuel lines, and updated wiring inside the cab. The truck starts easily even on a cold start, runs smoothly, and has no mechanical problems, reflecting consistent and proper upkeep. Number 8. 1995 Ford F250, price $7,500, finished in white with a gray interior, powered by a diesel engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, showing a true mileage of 410,000 miles. It features the legendary 7.3 Power-Stroke engine, a 4x4 drivetrain, and an extended cab long bed configuration. The previous owner had the truck for over 20 years, having purchased it at around 75,000 miles, and always used it gently, never driving it hard or towing heavy loads. The transmission was rebuilt approximately 35,000 miles ago. The truck has no leaks, no blow-by, starts up immediately, and drives exceptionally well for its age. Number 9. 1988 Mitsubishi Mighty Max, price $5,900. It has around 107,000 miles and is finished in silver with a blue interior, powered by a 2.6L 4-cylinder carbureted engine paired with a 5-speed manual 4x4 drivetrain. It has been owned by one owner since new, comes with its original 1980s title, and includes a clean Carfax. The truck runs strong, shifts perfectly, doesn't burn oil, and shows no rust aside from light surface oxidation. It recently received a full tune-up with fresh oil, new filters, spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, and rotor. The suspension now has new shock absorbers, and the braking system has been completely rebuilt with a new master cylinder, new rotors, pads, calipers, rear cylinders, shoes, and all new brake hoses. All fluids were checked and topped off. Inside, it has new carpet, cold AC, hot heat, and the original tape deck radio. Number 10. 1995 Ford F150, price $4,900. It has around 220,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a manual transmission. Powered by a dependable V6 engine paired with a standard 5-speed gearbox, the truck runs on gasoline and remains mechanically straightforward. The vehicle has current registration, a short bed for practical hauling, and it has recently been fitted with new tires, adding to its road readiness. While it is not a 4x4 model, it offers a simple and reliable rear-wheel drive setup, making it a solid choice for someone looking for an honest, well-kept work truck.